Feedback is an online data entry form that provides feedback on children and adolescents' physical fitness, including a health risk assessment and normative evaluation of test scores based on European data. To make the interactive report, just click on the button. If you want to enter data as a group for all class, press the green group button, but in this section, we describe the preparation of the individual report and you can start entering the data right here.
For entering the data, start with the nickname, ID or another name you choose, but remember that feedback does not save the data and the name you write here will be displayed on the final report. Enter the date of birth, sex and testing time, which is important in terms of the exact age of the kid at the day of testing. Then click Submit.
Now, a page for the test results is displayed. Enter the test values and after each result, the page immediately displays the feedback of the result in terms of the fitness zone and health risk that you can use for setting future exercise goals. You can expand your knowledge and use it in your daily exercise by using the Feedback Prompt Builder. Simply create your prompt and paste it into an AI chatbot to receive insights on the importance of physical fitness, general advice on fitness progress and motivation, as well as a personalized exercise plan based on your score, age, and gender. For additional tips on physical fitness, check out the advice section. You can now download the report for your records. Data can also be downloaded in Excel for monitoring purposes, or you can generate the URL and send it to someone who might be interested.
The report displays similar information that can be seen in the web page. Remember that after you leave web page, all the data you have entered will be deleted, and to generate the report once again you have to re-enter the data.
With the right tools such as Feedback Interactive Report, students can achieve their fitness goals. Remind them that progress takes time, but every effort counts toward a healthier future. Until next time.